Okay guys, today we gonna learn about the subtraction, addition, division and multiplication in the code blocks with the code of C. So let's start it. So what to do is just first we have to add a header file which is including stdio.h file. So okay guys, let me zoom in so that you guys can see it properly. So now it's the integer type main, this is the main function calling main, and now in the body section we are taking some integer type of the variable a, b and c, which is the three variable. You can define the value here or you can took the value from the user. So I will try to took the value from the user. So first let's make a summation. So summation will be what? C equal to a plus b. So our result will be stored in C. So now came into the first place. Now write it the print f, there is the quotation and double quotation, enter the first number so that the user can see which number is wanting by the program. So just copy it and paste it. So from there is the second number. What is the second number? So that is the something. So now you have what to do? You have to scan f double quotation percentage d because of the integer type value, and here you have to give the address of a. So address of is %a. So that is the code for taking the user input, and oh sorry, just copy it and after that just press, but now this time is b. So where the user is define the value a or b, the action will summation give the result of summation. Sorry guys for that. Okay, so now again call the printf function in where percentage d, the total is what? Total is C. So that's the something, and return 0. So hope this will work. So now build and run guys, build and run. Okay, this is taking too long. What is going? Oh, this is the avast. Okay, anything, just give the input. What is going on? Okay, now rebuild again. Isn't showing anything. What is the problem guys? Is there any problem in code? I didn't think so, but okay, enter the first number. So enter the first number is 3. So enter the second number is 3. So total is 6. So cut it and again play. Enter the first number is 5, enter the second number is 7. So answer will be total is 12. So Congratulations guys, you are now able to numerical value. So this is not this is the just the summation. I told you in the first that in this tutorial we're gonna learn about the summation, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are not gonna take each time the value from the user, so just take some extra variable d e f for calculating that. So d for d equal to, we have to subtraction it, a minus b, d e equal to, we are gonna multiply the value which is get from the user, and the f is the division of the value, or is a divided by b. Okay, so now you have to show it by okay, sorry guys, for that reason I am just okay. So all is C, not, it's not gonna work. So D, E and F, and not is the total, just define it here so the user can easily understand. Subtraction is that there is, what is that, this is the multiplication, and last is the division, last one is division. Okay, so build and run guys, one second more. What is going on again? Not building. What is the problem, man? I did almost the same. Now build it 3 3 6. So what is the problem? Division is that we are facing some problem. Wait guys, I will be there. Okay, if we have some, I'm getting some problem, just copy it, just create a new file, C# go C, file name not 2 is just exmpl1 dot C for, because we are using the C language, so that is the code. Now let's try it once more again. Return 0. What is the problem? Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to give one bracket. So okay, now let's see. Okay, this is the first, like this 3 3. Okay, now enter the first noun 3, second noun 3. So there is the result, but it is not the proper way, it's just in a row, so we have to merge it quite practically. So for that, just using this command, this is the command for printing from a new line. So now build and run again. So enter the first number 3 and 3. So now come on, debug log. Okay, so it is on. So give the 3 and the 3, and there is your result. The total is 6. 3 plus 3, subtraction 3 minus 3 is 0, multiplication 3 into 3 equal to 9, and division 3 by 3 is 1. So let's try again with another value. So that will be the 5, and second will be the 3. So total is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Subtraction is 2, actually not 2, it will be the, oh sorry, it is 2. And I am just, oh god, I am just telling the division. Okay, so forgive for me that, sorry guys. And subtraction is 2, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and multiplication is 5 into 3 equal to 15, and the division is 5 divided by 3 is 1. Actually it is not 1, there the answer is 1, because we are using just the integer type value, int here, integer type value. So it will not take any numerical value after the point. So this is the simple way you can choose it. And if you want to need the current, the proper value of is, so just you have to just modify something. So just from there you use just float a b c, not totally, just take a and b and give the c also here in the float. So it will take this, and when you are using float, there will be f, because for the float you have to use the percentage f, otherwise it will not give you the right answer. So now try it guys. So first number is 4, second number is 3, so there is the answer. So now take a 5, 3, and here is your answer. Division still is 1 point. Why is the division is 1? Okay, so it is going for the 1 first time, so this is the division of just it is, oh okay, so 3 is going for just one, taking one time for the 5. So for this is the taking the division of that one, not is the last value from that. So if we just use something like not percentage, so now take it guys. Okay, 5, 3, okay, now come on again, this is the 5 and this is the 3, and that is the division is 2. Actually this 2 is the 3 is taken by 1 and the other 2, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So this is the last value from the which we have to just use in the division. You can understand, I actually can't properly explain it in with mouth. So that is for all guys, hope you are like it. So see you later, until now, goodbye.